Well, look, the best thing that happened is like I'm not American. I'm Canadian, but I'm not even really Canadian. Well, I am Canadian, but I was born in Sri Lanka. So I like, I love America and everything that's given to me, but I'm pretty cynical about like the imperialistic nonsense of a lot of Americans and how Americans treat, their place in the world, to be quite honest with you. And so my mental sort of like worldview, I think, like was one where that combined with the feedback that I got from all these big companies, were like, well, I have this really great, MBA, JD guy that, and it's just like, you're just like, well, how is this whitey going to fucking figure out Korea? Like, no offense, but like, a Korean's going to figure out Korea before, you know what I'm saying? Like, this guy's, hey, guys, we're coming here to take over. And it's like, really? That's crazy. That's just absolutely crazy. So I was just like, let's just hire some really smart, awesome young Korean lady. And she's kicking ass. And then it's like, let's do the same thing in Japan. Let's do the same thing in Brazil. Let's do the same thing. It's not complicated. Like, that's not so hard. And then just listen to them and let them try. We had a culture, fortunately, of experimenting and trying a ton of stuff. And we celebrated failure more than we really celebrated success. We would celebrate these massive landmark milestones, 100 million, 250 million, 500 million, and even a billion. But a billion was like this kind of like ho-hum thing. The growth team had a dinner here at Madeira. That's we all kind of got together, the original team, and kind of had a quiet celebration. So we're more interested in just trying stuff and learning, right? And then then it was just a matter of having different people willing to try different stuff in their own markets, and then us being able to give them a framework where we said, look, 99% of the thing can't change, but you have this 1% flexibility, and if you need more, justify it. And that was a good interplay. But it's kind of like just part of my worldview of just like, America's great, but it's just like there's like a lot of other great people and a lot of great countries too.
By far the best investment you can make is in yourself. If you invest in yourself, nobody can take it away from you.